And to stay with kind of what you brought up there at the end, one of the things that we've sort of talked about is, and this is a whole other series of probably discussions, when and how the Western Empire actually fell and how the Goths viewed themselves in relationship to the Romans in Constantinople after 476. But you mentioned some of the effects of the reshaping of the Roman world. One of those was the Justinian Plague, correct? That was just devastating for the Italian peninsula.
Yes, devastating for Italy and for most of the rest of the Mediterranean world, all the way up into Britain as well. This plague spread far and wide, and there is currently quite a bit of debate in the academic world about just how deadly it was. But most observers and scholars seem to think that it was quite bad, quite deadly. We're talking severe loss of life, and then all of the course, difficult economic reconstructions and reconfigurations that would follow a loss of life that large.
And just so everybody who's listening understands, this was an outbreak of the bubonic plague, correct?
Yes, and that's only relatively recently that historians have been able to prove that beyond the shadow of a doubt. So it's always been suspected, but it's only within the last 20 years that we've been able to prove that. So yes, it's an early outbreak of the bubonic plague, the same strain of bacterium that would later cause the Black Death in the High Middle Ages.